spiders love to lurk in the corners and shadowy places of our homes. Let's shine a light on their favorite spots: room corners, behind furniture, and around window frames. Keeping spiders at bay means keeping a tidy house. Dust away webs, clean up those storage areas, and seal cracks. Spiders hate a clean, airy home. It's time for our spider-repelling secret weapon, peppermint oil. Not only does it smell great, but spiders can't stand it. And of course, water. We're mixing up a natural repellent, so we need a base for our peppermint powerhouse. Add 15 to 20 drops of peppermint oil to a cup of water in a spray bottle. Give it a good shake, and your spider repellent is ready. Spray your peppermint magic in spider-hot spots, corners, behind furniture and windows. Say goodbye to spiders, and hello to a fresh-smelling home. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, pest-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and empowering. Remember, you've got this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your own tips, questions, or success stories. Your feedback makes us all stronger and smarter. If you enjoyed this guide and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Together, let's keep our homes safe and sound.